Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Well, this video is about BRPR EA. That is an EA that is exclusively for Euro USD. However, we can trade other currency pairs also, but Euro USD is the best one that we found that it is working best as of now. And we are trading since the 21st of August, and today is 12th of January, and it is almost like around 20 weeks that we are trading with this expert advisor. So please ignore the few trades, the first few trades that were taken manually, and I was not sure that I will be running this expert advisor on this account. So please ignore the first few trades, and later on it is all Euro USD. So let's start from here. We started with 500 US dollar, and we suggest at least 1000 US dollar for this, but to just check the feasibility testing and how the EA performs in the lower account balance and in adverse conditions. So we are trading with lesser amount than suggested, that is $500, $501, and let's go from here. As I said, that please ignore the first few trades that were taken manually, and later on I realized that this is the account that I'm planning to run this particular expert advisor, and I didn't change the account I was using, and I use the same account. So it's all. And as I said, that this is specifically for Euro USD. However, we can trade other currency pairs also. So we have completed 4 months in December, and half of month you can say till now, like it's 4.5 months. Okay, let's go through like this. You can say like most of the time we have taken like 0.1, most of the times around 90%, 92% of the time, and some of the time 0.02, and very lesser of the time 0.03 lot size, and 0.04 is the maximum that we have taken so far in extreme conditions. So it has an option that you can trade with single direction, or either you can uh, take the option of two-way averaging. So it will take trade depending on the trend, but once the trend changes, it can, or it may open the opposite side trade as well, with the initial lot size only. It is not something that is doing any kind of hedging. It is just reverse trading or opposite trading in case if the trend changes for a certain period of time. Okay. So in 4.5 months, like it's been 4.5 months, as I said, we made a profit of 1049 so far, and with a deposit of 501. And if you would like to see the running trades, these are the running trades right now. These are all buy, and all are in 0.01 lot size. And if you would like to check the MyFX book link, then let me share it across with you. Just hold on for a second. Yeah, so this is MyFX book link page of BRPREA, Euro USD, and we can see the graph here. We see the balance graph, if we see the profit graph, and if we see the drawdown graph, right? It is showing like around 32% or something, but in case I'm not sure, it is showing 42% here, and the monthly return is 26.45%, and the daily return is 0.79%. And so far this week we made 2.84%, this month we made 4.66%, and this year we made 4.66% itself. So this year has just started. Okay. And for other expert advisor link, like if you would like to see, then you can just scroll it down and you can find other systems by Create Wealth, and you can find all other expert advisor links over here. Okay, let's get back to the account history. Okay, so guys, like in case if you have any question or if you have any inquiry about any expert advisor that has been uploaded in this channel, you can contact me via Telegram or via email. I have mentioned my Telegram handle as well as email address in the Telegram in this video description itself. Please find it over in the video description, and you can contact me if you have any question about this expert advisor or any other expert advisor. Guys, and like 4.5 months has been over, so maybe I will continue it for another 1 or 1.5 months, so to complete 6 months, and then we will show you other expert advisor videos very soon. So stay tuned, and please find other expert advisor videos in our channel. Thank you for watching our video, and look forward to talk to you soon. Thank you very much.